Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to restrict signers from reassigning documents in BoldSign. In the BoldSign eSignature application, you can restrict signers from reassigning the document to another person. This feature prevents signers from transferring their signing responsibilities, enhancing the integrity of the signature process. It significantly improves the reliability of the signing process, ensuring the signature is obtained only from the designated individual. This restriction is particularly valuable when dealing with legal agreements, financial transactions, or sensitive contractual matters. Let's consider a scenario where a software company needs to obtain signatures from specified employees for a confidential software project proposal. To maintain confidentiality and security, and comply with internal policies, the company wants to restrict reassigning documents. Let me show you how to do this. I first log into my BoldSign account and click the Create New button. I then select the Create New Document option. That then directs me to the document preparation page. I first browse a document from my computer by clicking the Browse button. In this case, I am going to enter the employee's details, name and email. When done, scroll down the page. On the document section, I turn off the Allow the signers to reassign option. By disabling this option, all the documents sent out henceforth will not have the option to reassign. I then click Next. On the configuration page, I drag in the name and the signature field and click Send. The document is sent successfully. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how disabling the reassigning option works. After the document has been sent out, an email is sent to the signer. I click the Review and Sign button to open the document signing page. On this page, I click More Options to display a list of options. Looking here, the reassign option is not here. This prevents the signer from delegating the signing responsibility to others. This is all about how to restrict signers from reassigning documents. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.